बचपन में आटे की लोई से तो सबने खेला होगा और उससे चिड़िया भी बनाई होंगी। बट क्या आपने कभी उससे क्राफ्ट्स बनाकर देखा है? इफ नो, then this tutorial is going to be super crazy for you all because today I'm going to make a beautiful vintage floral photo frame by using wheat flour or atta instead of modeling clay. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to my new tutorial. Let's start the video. Firstly, I have to make a picture which I'm going to frame. So for that, I'm drawing a rough sketch, simple rose flowers and some tiny leaves because जब भी हम किसी vintage painting या ornaments को देखते हैं तो उनमें ज़्यादातर roses ही used होते हैं. Then I'm painting it with some floral pink English roses with sap green leaves and buds. एंड रोजेस को पेंट करते टाइम फिनिश टचेस देना बिल्कुल मत भूलना बिकॉज ये ही आपके रोजेस को वॉल्यूम देंगे. Now my vintage floral rose painting is ready to frame and now I'm going to make its frame. At first we have to cut the cardboard in the shape of painting and extend it by 1 centimeter for the space of frame. After cutting, I'm just sticking it over the cardboard and pressing a bit to dry. Now I'm making pieces of dough for the frame and giving it a shape of thin rope-like structure. I'm just pasting it on the edge of the frame. Now make a little bit thinner rope-like structure for the pattern of the design we have chosen. And one thing you have to keep in your mind that you have to place it in the round manner over the base and in just like S-shaped. You can see how beautiful it's looking in this vintage floral photo frame and the design I have chosen and how perfectly it goes with the painting I have painted. Now wait for 24 hours or whole day to dry it perfectly. You can let it dry as per your choice and preference. Now the most game-changing part is arrived, that is to paint this beautifully carved frame. For this I'm using brown color for the base and golden color for highlighting the design. Here I'm using acrylic colors only because it is water resistant. एंड गाइस, जब आप इस फ्रेम को पेंट कर रहे हो तो आप इसके इनर कॉर्नर्स को बिल्कुल अच्छे से पेंट करना, बिकॉज़ इनर कॉर्नर्स में क्या होता है कि जब हम पेंट करते हैं तो किसी भी चीज़ के इनर कॉर्नर्स या कैनवस के जो एजेस होते हैं वो रह जाते हैं, तो उनमें भी पेंट करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, बिकॉज़ वो बहुत ही बेकार, बहुत ही ऑड लगता है क्योंकि सारी पेंटिंग हो जाती है और वो कुछ एजेस रह जाते हैं तो वो कुछ मैसी सा लगता है, तो इसलिए इसके इनर कॉर्नर्स को स्पेशली ध्यान देना होता है। And now I'm using this beautiful glitter golden shade for highlighting the features of the design, just to make it look more royal and vintage, and to give it a very aesthetic or very ancient look, like the things we have seen in any museum or any historical place. Just to give it that look, for this I have chosen this golden color. Love you and stay tuned in my next video. Until then, keep loving and smiling. Stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you.